Hey, fellow travelers! Are you tired of overpacking and stressing about luggage fees? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing our top minimalist packing tips to help you travel like a pro. Welcome to our channel, where we share expert advice on how to pack smart, travel light, and enjoy your trip without the hassle. I'm Cassie, and I'll be guiding you through these tips and tricks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pack like a minimalist and make the most of your next adventure. Alright, let's talk packing. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an empty suitcase, wondering where to even start. Well, I'm here to tell you, the first step to packing like a pro is actually unpacking your brain. I'm talking about laying out every single thing you think you need for your trip. Yes, you heard me right, everything. Clothes, shoes, that weird little neck pillow your aunt got you. Spread it all out on the floor, because seeing is believing. This step isn't about actually packing. It's about understanding the sheer volume of what you think you need versus what you actually need. Trust me, once you see that mountain of clothes, you'll be surprised how much you can actually live without. Okay, now that you've got your entire life sprawled out on the floor, let's bring some order to this chaos. We're about to become master matchmakers, but instead of people, we're pairing clothes. Start grouping similar items together. All your shirts in one pile, pants in another, you get the idea. This is where the minimalist magic really starts to happen. Layering a light jacket over a t-shirt suddenly becomes a whole new outfit. Those versatile black pants, they just became your best friend. See, we're not just packing clothes, we're packing options. Remember, the goal here isn't to cram in as much as possible. It's about creating a versatile wardrobe that works as hard as you do on vacation. Alright, let's talk about my secret weapon, the game changer, the Marie Kondo of luggage packing cubes. These little guys are about to rock your world. Imagine this, no more digging through your suitcase like a frantic raccoon. No more wrinkled clothes, just pure, organized bliss. Packing cubes are like mini drawers for your suitcase. You can separate your clothes by category, keeping everything neat, compact, and easy to find. Trust me, once you go cube, you'll never go back. It's like giving your clothes their own little vacation home inside your suitcase. Plus, they help compress your clothes, which means more room for souvenirs, right? Right? Let's get real for a second. How many times have you come back from a trip and realized you only wore half the clothes you packed? It's a tale as old as time. But fear not, my friends, because the capsule wardrobe is here to save the day. This is about working smarter, not harder. Choose a limited set of clothes in neutral colors that can be mixed and matched to create a surprising number of outfits. Think of it like a puzzle, but for looking effortlessly stylish while traveling. Trust me, a well-planned capsule wardrobe is the key to stress-free packing and a lighter suitcase. Plus, less time deciding what to wear means more time exploring, right? Look, I get it. We're not all cut from the same cloth. Some of us are seasoned jet setters, others are just starting to dip their toes into the travel pool. But no matter what kind of traveler you are, these minimalist packing tips can be tailored to fit your needs. Frequent flyers, invest in a high-quality carry-on bag. It's like your own personal mobile closet, allowing you to breeze past baggage claim and straight into adventure mode. First-time travelers, don't stress. Start small, pack light, and remember, you can always buy things you need at your destination. The beauty of minimalist packing is that it's all about adapting and finding what works best for you. So there you have it, our top minimalist packing tips to help you travel like a pro. Remember, the key is to simplify, organize, and pack smart. Don't overpack, and don't stress about luggage fees. You got this.